Guys, it's the fireworks! No, Mom, I'm making
No,
them.
but if you
I want to talk to you. Guys, this is awesome!
Big one.
over here.
Oh!
Nothing.
Can you hear the music?
Yeah, we haven't got down that far yet, I guess.
Dave, honey.
All the way down. It's so empty down there. No, they're nowhere even close. They never let them off right in front.
You can say that or
Guys, this is so awesome. This is so awesome. This is so awesome.
That's a helicopter.
See, that one went off right there. How do you know where they are?
Where the lights are. They're lighted. That's a drone.
Yeah. Wait. But you don't know where you're aiming it. You can't see it. I'm just going to turn it.
You can't turn it, Mom.
All right, I'm just going to...
What?
Ava, David's going down there, but just be careful. Stay with
Awesome.
him. That David. No, he's on the phone.
I know, but it's
Not with my phone.
Daddy.
You show entertainment to the folks.
David, all right, wrap it up, bud. You're not going to want it down on the phone.
Whatever. I'm
Sorry, guys. I got to wrap this video.